If retirement started tomorrow, would your home support that life or quietly fight it? The house that felt manageable at 45 can start draining you at 65. Not because you're lazy, not because you failed, but because your body, your energy, and your priorities have changed. Every drawer, every pile, every "I'll deal with it later" quietly steals your time, your calm, and even your safety. Most people think retirement planning is about money. It isn't. Money matters, yes, but what no one warns you about is how clutter grows heavier as your life gets lighter. Think about this. The same house that once felt easy can suddenly feel like a daily obstacle course. Reaching into a low cabinet for a heavy pan, navigating narrow walkways crowded with extra furniture, searching for things you know you own but can't find. Every movement takes just a little more energy, and over time, that adds up. Retirement removes structure. No work schedule, no deadlines, no external pressure keeping you moving. And what remains is your environment. A crowded, chaotic home becomes your new boss, quietly demanding your attention every day. Clean me, move me, decide about me, store me, feel guilty about me. That's not exaggeration. That's reality for so many people. And the problem is, most don't see it coming until they're already living it. Here's the good news. Decluttering before retirement changes everything. Not because it's about being tidy, not because it's about minimalism, but because it protects your body, your mind, and your time. You still have energy, you still have routine, you can make decisions calmly without the emotional weight that comes after retirement. And here's where you come in. I want you to comment down below right now. Tell us what part of your home feels heaviest. One room, one category, one recurring frustration. Your comment guides what research-backed content we create next, content that actually solves the challenges you're facing. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore exactly why decluttering before retirement is one of the smartest moves you can make, and how it affects 6 key areas of your life: your body, your mind, your finances, your time, your control, and your emotional peace. By the end of this video, you'll see that decluttering isn't just tidying up. It's a strategy for entering your next chapter lighter, safer, calmer, and fully in control. If you're ready to start thinking differently about your home, your space, and your freedom, keep watching, because what we cover here could change the way you experience retirement forever. Benefit 1. Less physical strain on your future body. Every object you keep becomes a physical obligation later. Not today, later. That extra set of dishes you rarely use still has weight. That box stored just in case still needs lifting. That crowded closet still requires balance, twisting, reaching. Heavy cookware in low cabinets, shoes stacked deep under benches, storage bins piled just high enough to be risky. Decluttering now reduces bending, lifting, climbing, reaching, navigating tight spaces. Falls don't happen because people suddenly become careless. They happen because environments stop matching bodies. Pathways narrow, reaction times change, vision shifts, balance becomes less forgiving. A lighter home is a safer home. This is not about having fewer things for the sake of it. It's about designing a space that respects how bodies age. Mobility is freedom. Safety is independence. If this feels personal, comment down below, "Safety matters." It helps us focus future videos on what truly affects daily life. Benefit 2. Mental calm when work identity ends. Work provides identity whether we admit it or not. It tells you when to wake up, what matters today, where your value shows up. Retirement removes that structure overnight. For some people, it feels like relief. For others, it creates an unexpected sense of drift. And for many, it's both. Clutter makes that transition harder. Visual chaos keeps your nervous system alert. Even when nothing is urgent, your brain senses unfinished business. Piles signal delay. Overfilled shelves signal indecision. Unused items signal obligation. Your mind never fully rests. Decluttering before retirement creates mental white space. It lowers background noise. It allows you to sit without feeling like you should be doing something. Your home becomes a place that supports reflection, reinvention, and rest instead of quietly demanding productivity. If you felt that background tension, comment down below, I feel this. We genuinely read every response. Benefit 3. Retirement finances stretch further. Clutter leaks money in subtle ways. You pay to store what you don't use. You repurchase what you already own. You maintain items long past their value. Before retirement, these leaks are easy to ignore because income feels steady. After retirement, they feel louder. Decluttering exposes spending habits you didn't see while busy. It shows you where money flowed out of convenience, stress, or optimism. When you reduce what you own, you reduce what you pay to maintain, in space, insurance, storage, repairs, and replacement. This isn't about living with less joy, it's about removing silent drains. A simpler home supports a simpler financial life. Fewer surprises, fewer regrets. If saving money without feeling deprived matters to you, comment down below, less really is more. Benefit 4. Control over downsizing decisions. Later life changes rarely arrive on your schedule. Health shifts, family dynamics evolve, moves happen faster than expected. Decluttering early gives you control before urgency enters the picture. You decide what stays because it fits your life now, not because someone else had to make decisions during stress. You're not sorting memories under pressure, you're choosing with clarity. Even if you never downsize, the control matters. Knowing what's essential brings peace. It removes fear around what if. If staying in control of your choices matters to you, comment down below, my choice matters. Benefit 5. Time becomes truly yours. Retirement isn't about having endless time. It's about not bleeding it away. Every item requires attention over its lifetime. Cleaning, moving, organizing, managing. When you remove objects, you reclaim time quietly. Less upkeep, less decision fatigue, less background management. That time compounds. It becomes space for rest, curiosity, connection, and creativity. The things people actually imagine when they think of retirement. If you want your future time protected, comment down below, my time matters. Benefit 6. Emotional closure and peace. Decluttering before retirement helps you release identities that no longer fit. Clothes for roles you don't play. Supplies for ambitions you've outgrown. Objects tied to expectations that aren't yours anymore. You don't erase your past. You honor it without letting it dominate your present. You keep what supports who you are becoming. This process isn't loss, it's alignment. If emotional attachment is the hardest part for you, comment down below, alignment over accumulation. Decluttering before retirement isn't about being neat. It's about entering the next chapter lighter, safer, calmer, and in control. If this video changed how you think, explore more content on this channel. Everything here is designed for real lives, real bodies, and real transitions, not perfection. Subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos built on research, lived experience, and honest conversation. And most importantly, comment down below. Tell us the room, habit, or emotional block you want us to explore next. Your voice directly shapes what we create. You deserve a retirement that feels open, not overwhelming.